When I'm putting the house on the market, I feel like I'm a mother who raised a kid and now he or she's going on a like some kind of competition. And of course, as a mother, you love every kid equally, but there's certain kids you are just more proud of. And this is the home that I came in yesterday, right before all the showing starts, 18 showings. I was just so proud. I just walk in here and just looking at this home, and I just felt like a mother who's toddler or preschoolers going into on a stage performing. That's how I felt. And this home is just so beautiful all the way around. So I do want to show you before people come in. And this is a sunroom you're looking at. And we are in Dancing Waters, Woodbury, great school district, super popular. And then from sunroom, you have the composite deck looking out at the pond. You don't see that very often in Woodbury, so it's why it's so special. From the sunroom, you're looking out. Look at the view. And you can tell why I was so proud. So you have an eating kitchen. Again, the view of sunroom. And huge island, comfortably seating 4 people. And the walk-in pantry, we all need that. This is something we miss now. This is not electric, it's induction. Induction cooktop is supposed to be more powerful than the gas range. So from the kitchen, eating kitchen, to sunroom, and you're open to the family room area. Beautiful solid wood floor. And from the kitchen, you have a planning center. Oh, wait, there's a cardinal outside. The bird. There's a cardinal bird outside. Oh, you can't see. Anyway, here's your planning center off of kitchen. So you can put your menu, go through your mail. And you know what's really cool? This mudroom. So they expanded this. After they moved in, this was a 4-car garage. They made it to 3.5-car garage and made a dog wash. Dog wash. Like I would love that because I could totally wash my dogs in here. So I don't have to lean down to the tub. You can wash your dogs here, and you have a bench area to hang your purse and my open house purse. Oh, somebody's coming into the open house. I guess I should meet them. Lots of storage and 3.5-car garage. I will show you the rest of the house later. Bye-bye.